A central distinction between spenders and American society at large lies in their contrasting beliefs about money. Wealth under accumulator often adhere to the notion of spending tomorrow's cash today, a practice that frequently leads to debt and a lack of net worth. This stands in stark contrast to the perspective of over-accumulators of wealth, who prioritize saving today's cash for tomorrow. While some spenders may express intentions to employ investment strategies for wealth accumulation under specific conditions, such as increased income, many fail to follow through on these plans. For instance, they might pledge to start investing once they earn an additional 10% in annual income, yet often, when that extra income materializes, investment efforts do not materialize. These ideas often emanate from the belief that augmenting income is the sole remedy for wealth scarcity. Even among those who do invest, many only do so when they have a surplus of income. The theory is that as income rises, so does the perceived necessity for that income, driven by a desire to outdo peers and relatives. Many spenders place immense value on material possessions and gauge their success relative to their immediate social circles, leading to a continuous quest to surpass peers financially. Spenders who originate from financially disadvantaged backgrounds and subsequently attain high-income careers often harbor a strong desire to be better off than their parents. This aspiration translates into acquiring more substantial houses, prestigious degrees, foreign luxury cars, boats, and club memberships. Another prevalent belief among spenders is the perception that money is the most easily renewable resource. This perspective significantly influences their consumption and investment behaviors. Spenders tend to favor immediate buying over saving, driven by the belief that generating a high income is more attainable than accumulating wealth. In the American context, it often seems more feasible to increase income than to build lasting wealth. This perspective underscores their inclination toward conspicuous consumption and their reticence to commit to long-term wealth-building strategies. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share.